Hey, what's up, Anchor coin holder? What's going on this time? Anchor, after a very long time, you can see here in last 12 hour, last 24 hour, Anchor coin will again wake up and take a very huge jump. You can see here 12.17%, my friend. Anchor coin prices increase now, so that's really good news, my friend. And absolutely, it's priority from all coin in this time in the crypto, because my friends, no coin will get a profit like that. Absolutely, Anchor is one of the unique coin, and absolutely they will give you a profit. So kindly, if you want to get a profit, if you want, my friends, to earn money from crypto, now just and only go invest now in Anchor coin. I hope, my friends, today will give you a profit. In the last 10 days of every month, every coin will move upward. So therefore, we will talk about the next pump of Anchor coin. In upcoming days, my friends, there is a chance to Anchor will get a profit, or they will face down more and more. Yes, my friend, this is very important for all of you to my friend. Anchor coin, there is a lot of chances to they will pumps up, but also chance to they will dumps down, my friends, because after a huge pump, absolutely every coin will take a very bad dump, but after a dump they will pumps up. So therefore, in previous days, Anchor coin were very badly fails down. So therefore, I am 100% sure, my friends, to in upcoming times Anchor will completely go to the moon. Yes, my brothers, please try to understand too, if they will get a profit, you will need, my friends, to hold down. If you starting holding, then they will give you a profit. Otherwise, every coin, my friends, will never moving upward if a holder are starting holding, if a holder are starting investing. So therefore, my advice for all of you to please hold on, and my opinion is for all of you to please hold on. And what's your opinion? Share in the comment box. Please like video and subscribe this channel for more this type urgent and updates videos.